how to adjust that zipper. So you need two tools, and of course a ruler and a marker to mark where you what is the size of the zipper. But mainly you need two tools: a plier and some wire cutter. So these are the my wire cutters. If you can see the difference, there's a blade right here on one side. It's almost like flat on one side, and the other one is kind of deep. So it's important like that because you're only going to cut that area. So it's wire cutters, it's good. But this type, this is a Workforce brand. And then I have some tiny pliers, but you can use any pliers. These are the only ones I found. They're a little bit rusty, but they will do the job. So first you need to mark where you want your, what is the length of your zipper. Now we're going to proceed to open the zipper, and we're going to do something here. We just grip the teeth that we need to kind of get out. So I pulled it out, but you can also just add pressure on it. So if you see, I'm not sure if you can see, but um let me try to explain this. So you can't just clip it, because if you clip it you're gonna cut the tape, so you don't want that. And this is where you want the zipper to end, so you have to take out one more teeth, because you still need to put this back, so your final size should be the same. So look, I'm going to grip it from the front, right? And then I pull it out. See, it's out. See, it's right here. See? Okay, so I need to go and take out more, because I need to have that tape so I can fold it back when I finish the zipper. Especially this one is gonna be on a cuff, so so I kind of press down a bit, but that's all I need to do. I can't really go so hard, because then if I don't grip it and kind of break it, then it starts to fray right here, which is not good. So the next thing we need to do is to position this wire cutter this way, not this way, because otherwise you won't see. So it has to be on this side, and you have to kind of make sure this side of the wire cutter stays behind the stopper. All right, I'm gonna come closer, higher, I think. Okay, so then you're going to go like that. So you're going to go between between the how you call that, the stopper. So now I got it. You saw it slipping a few times. That's also because I'm focusing on the camera. So now it's out. I opened it up. See, it fell. But this is how it looks like. See? Then I leave it like this, and I pick it up with this little tiny thing, and I'm gonna go like that. And then I'm gonna place it right here. Press it down. See? So you see, this is my line where I'm supposed to end the zipper, and it's perfect because that's exactly where I ended it, you know. So if I just take out the teeth from here, then it's gonna increase, it's gonna grow. So now we go to the other side. This is simple, but people charge $2 or $3 just to do this type of job, and I'm sure some of you guys probably have paid that because you need the work to be done right away. But of course, if you're gonna do hundreds, you need some help. But if you're gonna do only one or two, like in this case, my friend and customer forgot the size of the zipper, then I had to kind of adjust the size. So it's extra time that I'm putting on sewing. I'm not supposed to be doing this. Again, guys, when you bring your goods to be sewn, make sure you bring everything, because otherwise the only thing that happens is your garments are being delayed. And if other customers are more organized or maybe more accurate with their size of zippers, their stuff is gonna get prioritized over yours. That's all. That's the only thing that happens. So what happened is that I went so hard on one of them and I broke it. So I have to sacrifice a zipper, meaning I'm gonna take it from another zipper and put it on this one. So it has to be very, you have to go very light on it. A lot of the zipper stoppers are kind of excuse me, um tough, but some of them will be so delicate, and this is what happened with this zipper. So I'm just going to I just took other stoppers from that zipper, so now I'm not gonna be able to use it. um and unfortunately that becomes my liability, which is actually not my job, but anyway, what can we do? um so now you can also grab from the other end, just push it through, and then that's it, we're done. So we're done with this one. So it's good because it's kind of leveled out, and this is gonna go into a sleeve, so it has to be like that. So now let's go with the other one. Okay, so I remove all the teeth on this side. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna take the stopper, but I'm gonna go lighter. You know what, it's kind of weird because those those stoppers on the other zipper, they were so tiny, you see, versus this one, these zippers are not the same. But I mean, what can I do? That's what I got. So these are kind of wider versus the ones that broke. They're kind of tiny, see? So that's probably why they broke. um Good thing I had that zipper. I have a lot of zippers. I need to create something with them because they're floating around, and I have some crazy ideas about what to do with them. Anyway, that's a different topic, but just thought about it right now. Every time I see them, I always think about what I'm going to create to use them. Okay, so this is a little bit like um, not too open, because I'm being very careful to open it up and break it like the other chew. Now I just did a little bit more. See, I still need to do a little bit more. It's supposed to be easy. It shouldn't be this complicated. I'm not sure if it's because I'm not totally focused on doing it, or because I'm also trying to show you guys how it works. Probably that's probably why, but normally it shouldn't be that difficult. So we're good. Okay, so we're good here. The other thing I'm going to do, I'm just gonna cut off the excess, and then this is not the that's the donor. Okay, so then I'm gonna do this, and now I'm ready to sew the zippers on the sleeves. So I was able to fix them, but we're talking about probably almost 7 minutes, 8 minutes to do this kind of thing, because I had to get my tools to do it. So here again, you need a plier, you need a wire cutter, chalk, a ruler to get to this point. And that's how you adjust the zipper. You guys noticed that I had some hard time to get it done, but I got them done, and then now I'm gonna add them to the cuffs that I'm working on. So have any questions about how to get these done, let me know, or just watch the video over again. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time. Keep sewing one stitch at a time. Before you leave, check out the rest of my videos, and see you around.